Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys a very simple and interesting website which is very useful in creating mockups. Now when I say mockups, what kind of mockups? Let's say you have created a UI for an application and you want to show that application inside an actual mobile phone. Now if you go on Google and search for a transparent PNG image of some mobile phone, it's a very tedious task and you won't really get a high resolution image. So this is where this website comes in play. Now this website has numerous mobile phones like iPhone, Google Pixel and whatnot. It has tablets, it has monitors, it has TV screens and even smart watches if you have created the UI for the same. So all you have to do is simply take your UI, upload it on the website, select the particular template and download the mockup. That's it. So that was a rough idea about what the website is. Now let's get straight into the video where I can show you how the website actually operates. So the name of the website is mockmagic.com. As you can see, the link to the website is in the description. You can go right ahead. Now on the home page, there's nothing much to read. There's a basic introduction video which you don't obviously have to watch because you are watching how to use the website, right? So let's get straight to it. You can either press get started or create a mockup, whatever works for you. Now first of all, you will see a template of iPhone 13. Yes, this is the template. Now I'll give you a basic idea. Here you can change the device. Okay, there are devices, we'll get to it. Here you can change the variant of the device, basically its colors and stuff. Okay, then you can change the orientation, portrait or landscape, whatever you want. And finally, select file. You can select supported formats, PNG or JPEG image, whatever you want that you have created. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'll select a file. Now I've created a UI for an Android device, so let's go with a device first. So I'm going to select Samsung Galaxy S20 Android device and let's select the file. Now here I have a phone UI right here. Now this is the mock that I've created, so I'll open it. Okay, so this is the UI that I had designed. Now let's change the variant. Let's go with pink one or let's say gray one. Okay, then I can also change it to landscape, but I have designed a portrait, a vertical UI, right? So let's keep it this way and then I'll crop it. Now the crop feature is really great. It allows you to align things you want them, and you can also crop whatever you have created from here. Okay, just apply it and leave it. For now I'm going to leave it as it is and simply hit apply and we're done. Now the mockup is ready. Now all you have to do is simply download the mockup, but if you simply press on download, the file name will be untitled. So to change the name of the file, by default simply give name to the project up here on the top left. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it UI, a simple one. Okay, so once I've kept the name, simply I'll press download mockup and UI.png is downloaded. If I open the file, as you can see, a PNG image of my UI design inside an actual UI mockup. Okay, so that's it guys. That's how you can operate the website. Here on the top left you have only one useful option, that is empty canvas. Okay, so I have emptied the canvas. Now I'll show you other devices and then we'll get done. Now phone is done. Let's go ahead with an iPad. Here I'll add this image. Again I'll crop it, I'll adjust the crop, I'll hit apply and we're good. I can also change the variant. Yes, and I can download the mockup. Then next device is, let's go with the watch, Apple Watch. Yeah, I'll replace it with this image. Again crop, adjust it, apply and we're done. Select a particular color, download the mockup and here we have it, the mockup. Yeah, orange color, the image is there and it looks great. Let's go back to the website. Here we're done with watch. Now final few things, a laptop. Here I'll replace it with this image that I've created, this UI. Yeah, looks great. I can change the variant, crop it if I want, download it. Then you also have a TV which will basically look the same, it won't really change. Now there's something wrong with this website from past few minutes. It doesn't really load stuff, I don't know why. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so for TV you have three variants, with stand, with studio stand or without stand. You can use whichever you want and simply download the mockup. Yeah, so you can use all of the devices. Finally they have an iMac Pro. Yeah, and they also have a Apple Pro display. What was it? XDR. Yeah, so those were the mockups that they provide. That's how you can use the website and that's basically how it operates. So that was the website guys. Now a little announcement. If you are looking for someone to design a UI for your website or application, then you my friend are at luck, because myself and my friend are a great team who design beautiful UIs. So if you're looking for someone who can create gorgeous user interfaces for your website or your mobile application as fast as possible and at reasonable prices, then make sure that you contact us on this email ID and we'll make sure that we'll get back to you within 24 hours of receiving this email. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Now if you find this video helpful, make sure that you like the video. It really helps me with the algorithm. Share this video with your friends so that they can also use this awesome website, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. How to tech videos like reviews, gaming, coding, vlogging is all that goes on this channel. So if that's your vibe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And finally, don't forget to follow me on all the social media handles, the links to which are given in the description below. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.